Hi, I'm Quinton, one of the team members at the School of Leadership and Theology, and we've got some exciting news for you. We have introduced a new level of study in each of the programs that we offer. And this is primarily designed for somebody, if you are a very busy person, maybe you've got a full-time job, maybe you've got young children. I understand where you're at. At a point in my life, things were extremely busy. But here's the thing, you're still a committed follower of Jesus and you're wanting to grow. So this level is for you. It involves about 2 hours of work per week maximum, and fits in underneath our other two levels. So very briefly, the other two levels, you have the next level up from the essentials called the ministry level. Now, the ministry level has a component of reading, pre-recorded lectures, live tutorials, 2 per 10-week course, drop-in meeting options where you can get together with others and discuss particular areas in an informal setting. And then it has a reflection at the end of it, which is about 500 words. It is not an academic process. It does not require proper referencing and all of that sort of thing. It's simply there as a final assessment to help you think through the material. Then you get the academic level, which is more or less a first year university level of study. And the difference between the ministry and the academic level is that your final assessment for the academic level is much more stringent. So it's a 2,000 word essay or assignment on a particular thing. It requires proper academic referencing, and it opens the door for you to carry on studying through one of our partner institutions, which you can find on our website. So coming back to the essentials level, what's the difference between that and your ministry level? Well, the essentials level, your main components where you're different, where you're looking at a difference, would be it removes the reading aspect from the program. So you still have all the high quality pre-recorded lectures, you have the live tutorials, you have the drop-in meetings, you have the study guides, all that type of thing. And then you have a very small reflection at the end of the course that you are, it's an informal reflection environment, maybe 200-300 words, which obviously takes a substantial amount less time than the other two levels. So that's what we're trying to do here. This is quality. You can upgrade to the other levels at a later stage if you want, but it's there specifically for you if you're serious about your walk with Jesus. You want to be in a fixed program where you're responsible for certain things, where you have advisors looking after you through the journey, but you are super busy as well. So yeah, so that's our new level, and we look forward to having you join us if you are somebody who's very busy and still serious about following Jesus. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.